Hi, this is Domino's on Telemetry speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, can I order a pizza for pickup?
Of course you can.
Perfect.
Was that for Dave?
Yeah, Big Dave.
Oh, alrighty. What can I get for you today, Dave?
I'd like to try the Parmesan stuffed crust pizza. Have you tried that yet?
I unfortunately can't eat pizza. Funny that I'm working on a pizza joint.
That is weird,
but I've heard really good things about it.
Well,
so I would highly recommend it.
Well, I'm going to try it. Can I get it with pepperoni?
Of course you can. Would you like anything else on it?
No, I think that's good. I think the classic pepperoni, right? You have two kinds of pepperoni, is that right?
I do, yeah. So we have the Brooklyn pepperoni,
right?
But then we just have regular pepperoni.
The Brooklyn's like really big, right? And the regular one's a smaller piece. Yeah, I'll take the regular pepperoni.
That'll be $22.02, okay?
Awesome. Well, thank you very much.
Of course. See you soon.
We'll see you in a minute. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Welcome to By the Slice, only on the worst food review channel on YouTube. It's Ava, filling in for Gus, who is missing in action. Today's review is Domino's new stuffed crust pizza. Domino's pizza innovations include the Heat Wave hot delivery bag, the Sputtle, a cross between a spoon and a ladle, think spork, and the corrugated pizza box. But some people think they were the first to use a conveyor belt pizza oven, but that was Little Caesars back in 1977. And 30 years after Pizza Hut, the new Domino's stuffed crust pizza. Now that's innovation. Fat Boys at the restaurant. Let's join him there.
All right, Big Dave, Domino's Pizza, new stuffed crust.
Ten minutes later.
I can pay for my pizza too if you like.
Yeah, of course.
I'm Big Dave.
That was 22.
Okay.
Card?
You're not the one that can't eat pizza, are you?
I am the
That's terrible.
I know. But honestly, I feel like it's better that way. That way I'm not like ordering.
Well, that's right. You're not here getting fat eating pizza every day.
Yeah. Would you like to receive that?
Please.
346 minutes later.
No, 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 yeah. Yo, it's good something to eat, man. Oh, yo, what's up there? Look, cheesecake, steak, PB&J's. I ain't seen nobody ever that can eat like Dave. Taste testing with the best in the game. I ain't seen nobody ever that can eat like Dave. You can see him in the drive-thru, picking up the takeout he can dine into, yeah. Get the cooking, he gon' find you and slide through. Review is Dave's dude.
Did that come out of a different oven than the rest of the pizzas?
Pardon?
Did I see that come out of a different oven? A lower oven than the rest, or did it come out of the same one?
Yeah, so we have 3 ovens technically.
Yep.
So we always use the middle and the bottom.
Oh, okay. So it's the same temperature and everything, just a different... Okay, just wondering.
Oh, this is so we can get more pizza going.
Awesome. Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Welcome back by the slice, Big Dave. Domino's Pizza, new stuffed crust pizza. Let's give the receipt to Lucinda and let's have a look at this sucker. Well, maybe before we look at this is gonna be hot. This just came right off the conveyor belt. Let's talk about Domino's. Innovator, huge innovator. They've been around since 1960, so a long time. They came up with the conveyor belt oven. They brought out the modern pizza box, so you don't have to have the little table in here. They also did things like, what the hell else? Oh, avoid the noise. Heated bags. such industry leaders. It only took them 4 decades to catch up to stuffed crust pizza. Let's see what 4 decades worth of research comes up with. There we go. Now, like Little Caesars, they put garlic sauce or garlic butter on the outside and then sprinkle it with Parmesan. But let's get a couple of pictures of this sucker. What do you think, Lucinda? Now, just looking here, they lost a little integrity on their crust. They lost a seal on their stuffed crust here in a couple of places, started getting holes in it. It's really neat how they make this. I was watching them make it. They put like cheese strings, you know, in there, several of them. It's not like a ring of cheese like a lot of places. It's like separate pieces of string cheese. You know that stuff McCain's makes. And then they fold the crust over and they use like a pot lid on here. I guess it's to help seal it. I don't know, to make it the right size on the inside, but strange process. Let's get this out and have a look at it. Oh, now this thing does not, God, she had the bat lip out here. She just didn't cut it with a crap. Sorry. She seems like a very nice person, but she did not cut it. All right, so they did have the bat lip out here, hashtag Wharf, hashtag Cleon, to cut this thing. It didn't look very sanitary to me. It looked like it was just in battle. It had so much red on it. Let's take a bite. Thin crust. Not terrible. Had worse from places that should have been better. Try the crust. It's the important part. It's not bad for a stuffed crust pizza, really. For Domino's, pretty good job. What's the score on this thing? Well, God, I'm trying to think of some scores I've given recently. I gotta go 6.6 on this thing. 6.6, Domino's stuffed crust. Would you eat this crap? Let us know. Hit the like button, comment below, subscribe, share. Look for us next time. I'm Big Dave. This is By the Slice. This is Domino's. You can really do better than this. Thanks for watching. Big Dave! Peace!
Big Dave, merch available at Bongo's Bombs, Gibraltar Weekend Market. An assortment of hats and tees. Tank tops on sale now. Just in time for summer.